In today's session also, we will do one question paper problem. In the previous problem, they used to give 10% discount, 5% premium. So it should be in amount. That's why the rupee symbol is used. Journal entries, as I told you, you have to check. Issued also at premium. Hello everyone, I am your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Now, we are in the 9th session of topic called Issue and Redemption of Debenture. Now, in the previous session, we worked out your 12 marks problem. In today's session also, we will do one question paper problem. So this is the easiest thing, no more calculation, all the calculation given already. In the previous problem, they used to give 10% discount, 5% premium, 10% premium. We used to calculate, but in this, they already calculated and the numbers are very small. So it looks very easy. Simultaneously, if you know the journal entries, it is easy only. Now, remember, they have mentioned that the face value of this share, how much? 100 means par premium and discount. Par premium and discount. What do you mean by par? You know the par. Par means actual value. Premium more than actual value. Discount less than actual value. In for everything the word comes actual value. Par actual, premium more than actual, discount less than actual. Now, what is the actual now? Yes, in this problem the actual is 100. Now, in this par is what? It is always 100. In this problem, par value means you should consider 100. Anything which is above 100, we call it as premium. In this, debenture are issued at 100 means par. Repayable at par. So it is easy. Next, debentures are issued at 100. It is par. Repayable at 95. 95 means what? Discount. Less than 100 means it is a what? Discount. Now, debentures issued at par. 100 means what? Par. Repayable at 105. 105 means what? More than 100. What do we call this? We call this as premium. This is done. Next, debentures issued at 95. So it will be what? Discount. Why it is discount? Less than 100. Repayable at 105. It is what? Premium. More than 100. More than 100 we call it as premium. Next, debentures issued at 110. It is what? Premium. Why it is premium? More than 100 rupees. Repayable at 108. Premium. Why it is premium? More than 100. Now, the face value is 100. Hope you understood how to classify it is a par, premium, discount. If it is 100, par. More than 100, premium. Less than 100, we call it as discount. So, we'll go for the journal entries. First one is what? Par and par. Issued at par, redeemable at par. Journal entry is easy. First one, you have to mention journal entries. Journal entries. In this, you have to mention that particular debit and credit. So, it should be in amount. That's why the rupee symbol is used. Now, this column you can use it as date or serial number. Normally date they will not give. They will give you always serial numbers. Now, bank to debenture, debenture to bank. 100, 100. This is done. Next, This one, bank to debenture. What is this? I'll go back to your question. Issued at par, redeemed at discount. Issued at par, redeemed at premium. Issued at discount, redeemed at premium. Issued at premium, redeemed at premium. So first one is already over. This is issued at par, redeemed at par. What is the second one? Issued at par, redeemed at discount. Go back to your format. In the format, just check what is the journal entry for issue at par, redeemed at discount. Now, this will be bank to debenture, debenture to bank, and profit or redemption of debenture. Now, it is 100 because issued at par. Now, redemption at premium, redemption at discount. Now, it will be 100. What is the discount? 5 rupee. 95 plus 5, how much? 100. Hope you understood. This will be your second journal entry. Now, before we go to third one, what is the question here? Issued at par, redeemed at premium. Issued at par, redeemed at 105. Remember, issued at par, redeemed at premium. You know the journal entry. First pass journal entry. Issued at par, easy, 100 and 100. Redeemed at premium, 100 plus 5 rupees premium. Total is how much? 105. Easy. We'll go for the third one. Issued at discount, redeemed at premium. Issued at discount, 95. Redemption is 105. Means 5 rupees and 5 rupee. Total 10 rupee loss. Remember. Why? Because while collecting money, instead of 100 rupees, you collected how much? 95. 5 rupees loss. While giving back, instead of 100, how much you gave? 105. 5 rupee again more. 5 rupee at the time of collection, 5 rupee at the time of payment. 5 plus 5, total 10 rupee loss. Remember this. Now, in this, as I told you, actual value is 100. But what is the actual loss? Yes, 10 rupee. Your premium is 5. 105, 105. Hope you understood. In the previous session also, we did the same problem. In that also, we calculated this one. Always remember, at the time of issue discount, at the time of repayment premium, then both the way you are losing money. That's why both put together, your loss is 10 rupee. Now, next one is simple. 105, it is 105. Only premium is added. We'll go for the last one, fifth journal entry. I'll go back to your question. As per the question, issued at premium, redemption also premium. At the time of issue, there is a profit of how much? 10 rupee. At the time of repayment, there is a loss of 8 rupee. Now, in this journal entries, as I told you, you have to check issued also at premium, repayment also at premium. Go back to your normal format. In that, you will find this journal entry. Now, bank issue of debenture. So, it will be 118. 118. How? How means actual debenture value is how much? 100. At the time of issue, what is the premium? 10 rupee. At the time of repayment, what is the amount? 8. So, total 118. Now, what is your discount actually? Yes, it is only 8. It is not discount, it is a premium. How much? 8. So, this will be balancing figure. Remember, total is how much? 118. This is how much? 8. The balance will be balancing figure. Your balance will be how much? 110. Hope you understood. As I told you, only numbers you have to remember. Why? Because journal entry, it is there already in the format. After doing 6 to 7 problems, you will be familiar with all these journal entries. Now, debenture to premium and to bank, simple, 8 rupees premium, total is 108. I'll go back, take screenshot of question. This is a first and second journal entry, third and fourth journal entry, and this is a fifth journal entry. If you do these 5 journal entries, how much marks you will get? Yes, you will get 12 marks. So, very important for your examination concern. So, this is all about your today's session. Next session will come up with one new problem like your 12 marks issue as well as redemption of debenture. Thank you.